Hi, I'm Prashant Kelker. I'm the Chief Strategy Officer and I lead the American consulting practice at ISG. Let's talk technology in 2024. I think there are no prizes for guessing that. It's going to be AI at enterprise scale. I know everybody is talking about Gen AI at the moment, but what has happened in November last year is AI, thanks to Sam Altman on OpenAI, has come into mass imagination. So we're going to see a lot of adoption of not just Gen AI, you're going to see AI at enterprise scale. The second thing you're going to see in that is we've been using AI only for predicting and judging. We've seen since November that you can use it for generation. This is going to open up many new use cases we've never seen before. So the top 3 technology trends for 2024 are going to go off my first answer, and that's enterprise AI. But I think as we talk about the poetry of AI, the real money is in the plumbing of AI. And the first part of plumbing of AI is going to be the attention on the silicon of AI. We're going to go away from just saying cloud and just saying hyperscalers to purpose-built infrastructure for AI. It's going to be workload aware. It's going to be not just servers, it's going to be AI-ready clients too. So that's the first thing I see. So in this gold rush for AI, you're going to see the pickaxes and shovels are actually the purpose-built infrastructure. The second thing is, as the entire market is focused on chips and compute, I think the market is forgetting about data. There is no AI without data. So you're going to see a shift from, as we solve this computing issue, we're going to go into a data issue. Only organizations which have good information architecture, data architectures, are going to achieve their AI ambitions. But in the midst of all of this, you're going to see a battle between the hyperscalers, who have their own ambitions, the ERP, PLM platforms, who also think they own the data, and then you have the Oracles and Snowflake. So who's going to win in all of this? I think it's the system integrator. The most impactful technology in the manufacturing industry, if you ask me, you're going to get a very North American answer. I see probably different things to what you're seeing in Europe. So you got to ask my European colleagues what they see. What we see here tends to be much more digital, and what drives revenue ambitions. We have everything from large-scale OEMs to off-road highway OEMs to medtech, all the way to small-scale devices like, for example, Zebra. But we see one thing common across all of those. They're going to move from physical products to physical plus digital products, because they're hoping with this to go from just selling products to creating recurring revenues. So as they aim for annuity businesses, as they aim for recurring revenue businesses, this does wonders to their share price, of course. So data with an ambition turns out to be a recurring revenue. And you'll see this turning out in multiple cases across manufacturing. How is this going to land on the ground? It's going to land as digital thread, digital twin, IoT, and edge. But let's not get misled by those terms, because that's technology. What everybody is aiming at is ARRs.